Hello everyone, this is Mousumi Datta and you're watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is about a bowl painting. Let's get into the video. So here I have taken a plastic bowl, that is sparkle dishwash bar, a nail polish and Fevicryl acrylic black color. At first I am going to use this black color on it. Let's see. At first we need to remember that the bowl should be neat and clean and dry. And now I am applying the color directly on the surface of the bowl. I am here trying to make a doodle art. I didn't thought of any kind of design and all, so I doing it randomly, and that's why I thought that doodle art can be more suitable for it. So I choose the black color and white nail polish color. Just see the process. I didn't make any kind of pencil art or something. I am applying the color directly on the surface. It's very easy, so you don't need to draw anything before. And if you find it difficult, you can make a design first. So let's do the black part quickly, and then we will start the second part. I am here making some normal patterns of flowers and leaves, that's all. I like to do this kind of random things because I don't like to, what can I say, don't like to bother myself so much to think of the design and all. And now it's nail polish time. I will not do any kind of design with the nail polish. I will just make some dots just to highlight the design, that's it. You can use another color too, like blue, red, even white. It will look also beautiful. So now this is almost ready. Let's check out its final look. If you recreate the design, please let me know, and if you like it, do let me know in the comment section below, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. So bye for now. Thank you.